But next up is Kyan. He will be the third driver out today. So Kyan is in the driver's seat and he's now entering the circuit. Let's see what he can do as the third team member out on track. Now Kyan is taking it very, very easily. He runs wide out of turn 2. So wide, actually nearly makes contact with the wall, just about holds it in. As a mechanic, he will definitely not want to damage the kart. He'll give himself a lot more work to do. Coming into sector 2 now, herping just before the Innovate straight. Very nicely out of there actually. Seems like he is picking up the pace a little bit more. Actually no, he's backing back off again. As I said before, he probably doesn't want to cause too much wear and tear on the karts because it'll be himself who'll have to fix it. Coming out of the Team Sport hairpin onto the final straight of the lap, and they are some highlights of Kyan's session.